Okay, so we wanted to do a quick update video after our first week of renovations. We did mainly cleaning, getting rid of stuff, and so you can see the living room is completely cleaned out. We did get the master cleaned out. Right now I think we've got just the air scrubber running. So we got a couple of things left in the master. And then let's go upstairs. This is kind of working top down. So then we have a couple of projects on at the same time. These rooms were completely destroyed before. So we went ahead and got all the stuff out. I pulled up the carpet. This is the only carpet that I haven't actually taken outside yet. But we have completely taken the carpet out, all the trash out, all the stuff that was in this room's all gone. So closets too. So we have good starting point where we're going to clean, like deep clean the rooms. Same thing with these rooms over here. So got all this stuff out. So we and the stuff that's still out here is going to be stuff that was in the rooms. We just haven't taken it downstairs yet. But all four bedrooms have been cleared out. That's kind of concerning. Not really. Ooh, I have carpets left. Okay, so scratch that. I have some carpet left. I have this one, and then I have this one. So once we get all this stuff out of here, then we will go ahead and remove this carpet. I'll take the carpet off the stairs, and we will be done with getting junk out of here. So I'll turn these lights off. It's about, what time is it? It is about 7:30, and we are finishing up for the day. Carolyn's been deep cleaning stuff, and we also did the attic, the garage attic, at least a lot of it. Did the garage attic, got that all taken care of. Let me rephrase. We got as much as we could handle taken care of. So we are going to finish up that next. In addition to that, though, we started on another project. So we kind of have multiple projects going on at the same time. Probably not a good idea. People typically don't do really well with multitasking. But step out here. We had the siding guys coming. I went through and I pulled off the siding of the entire front. We've already started getting some of the insulation back in, and it's a little dark right now because I've got some of these lights, which is are the lights totally unhooked. But got a majority of this stuff set up for insulation. Then we're gonna have siding. Like I said, siding was supposed to start today, but they did not. It's supposed to rain. It's like a 25 to 30% chance of rain, and just like Houston, it did not rain. So a lot of fun, a lot of exciting times that was. But so in addition to those projects, we actually finished up all of the getting a bunch of stuff out of the attic, cleaning it like by hand. As you can see, we've got all the junk out of here. This couch weighs like 1,000 pounds, so it's not gonna stay, but for now it's staying. So yeah, so we've gotten a lot of stuff out of the attic, cleaned it all by hand so that we can make sure to get a good home for it. Can't figure out what any switches go to. And oh, left the light on. But so we're gonna, there's some stuff that's really neat, and I'll do a video to kind of go over what all we found in the in the garage attic and the main attic here in this house. So both of them have significant amount of stuff. So I'm pleased with this week. I'm glad we were able to do as much as we did. And so you can see we've got our scrubber going, we had the fogger going, we had the ozone machine is going. So lots going on. Good first week. I'm really tired and worn out, and I'm ready to go home, eat, and relax.